Welcome! This video is an introduction to tanker chartering. In this video, we will dive a bit more into some commercial aspects that will serve as a foundation for the overall understanding of the tanker shipping industry. Let's start with some key characteristics of each vessel that can play an important role in her commercial management. First, it is important to point out that the name of each vessel isn't a unique identifier. What actually identifies a vessel is her IMO number, which is a number that the International Maritime Organization has given to her. A tanker usually has a commercial lifespan of about 20 years. She becomes less preferred as she gets older. Some charters even reject vessels because of clearance issues and safety reasons. When it comes to shipbuilding, specific shipyards and countries imply better quality and can increase the value of a vessel. Moving to more technical aspects, the dead weight implies the lifting capacity of a vessel. Bigger vessels are preferred in some areas like the U.S. Gulf. Ice-class vessels are built with thicker hulls and special specifications that allow them to stream through ice-covered waters. Scrubber systems are devices that remove carbon components from the gas emissions, enabling vessels to consume bunkers with higher sulfur content. While bigger vessels are usually preferred, vessel size can also end up being restricted. Factors like the overall length, the draft, and the extreme breadth of a vessel may restrict it from fitting into a port. Taking a first glimpse into the commercial side, vessel ownership and management can include more than one entity. The registered owner, known also as the head owner, is the company that legally owns the vessel. Due to mainly legal and risk-averse reasons, each vessel could be a different company, even if they belong to the same beneficiary or group. The head owner can sublet the vessel to another company, the disponent owner who benefits of the vessel's earnings. The company that commercially manages the vessel and is responsible for the daily decision-making is called the commercial operator or manager, while the company that undertakes the technical management of the vessel is called the technical operator or manager. All of these entities are not always different companies. Some ship management companies have their own technical and commercial functions, while others choose to outsource them. Let's have a look at the ecosystem of the chartering department, which is responsible to fix the vessel at the highest possible rate in order to maximize the financial outcome. To make the optimal decision, chartering needs to process a lot of information received from multiple sources. The chartering team is in constant communication with the brokers who provide information about the current sentiment of the market, the supply of vessels, and the demand as expressed through cargo inquiries. This information can be directly processed or handled and filtered through the Signal Ocean platform. The team also communicates with other company departments such as legal, operations, and its subsections during and post-voyage execution. What are the counterparties involved during the negotiation? Charterers are oil majors or traders that need to move a cargo between two or more areas. They reach out to brokers with the mandate to find the ideal vessel at the best rate for the cargo. Brokers are the intermediaries between charterers and owners. They quote a cargo to several owners of vessels that are considered workable. They work the cargo, negotiate on behalf of charterers, and try to get on subs with the best financial option. Subjects, or subs as it is often called, is the process where the vessel is being cleared for the offered voyage. Upon successful negotiation of the cargo, they agree on terms as stated in the final charter party agreement. Now that the charter party has been agreed, the voyage needs to be executed. Voyages for a given vessel start at the opening port, meaning the location of the ultimate cargo discharging of the previous voyage, and voyages may include multiple loads in discharge ports. For example, Voyage B starts at the last discharge port of Voyage A, Port D2, which is the opening port. In Voyage B, there are two loading ports and one discharge port, where the whole loading quantity is discharged. When a vessel is unfixed or available, the chartering department is looking for cargoes to fix the vessel. Once the best cargo is found, the owners and charterers go on subs. While being on subs, normally for a 1 or 2 day period, the charterer has the exclusive right to either release the vessel or get fully fixed. Under rare circumstances, the fixture is canceled, meaning that the vessel is available again to the market. All terms agreed are included in a contract called Charter Party, which includes all the fixture details such as vessel particulars, charterers and owners, cargo quantity and type, laycan, which are the agreed dates for loading, load and discharge areas, as well as the financials. This brings us to the end of the video on the introduction to chartering.